Hi guys, this is Malia from Mustard Tree Market, and I'm here today to show you guys how to use Dixie Belle's Dixie Mud. So fixing, repairing chipped veneer. I'm going to just scoop it out with the putty knife and you just slap it on. I've cleaned this piece with White Lightning and I've rinsed it off so it's clean and it's dry. If there's any loose veneer, you want to go ahead and glue that down with your wood glue. Use a toothpick or whatever. Make sure that it's not loose anymore. And then Dixie Mud is different than wood putty. It's softer. It doesn't have that stinky smell. And it's softer and finer in texture. So it can be used for raised stencils. It can be used to, I even use it on tops of buffets and such to fill in little scratches. And it works really well for that. And then you just sand it down with a sanding sponge. Just a real light sanding sponge is all it takes. And it will make the top of a buffet look completely perfect without any imperfections. And you can also use it to fill a corner that's chipped off. It'll dry hard. So you can shape it like that. And you're better, because of drying time, to do it in multiple coats. If you have a really thick gouge, you know, put it on, let it dry, and then put on more. This works great for filling holes in drawers. If you have to replace hardware or something, it works great for that. And I'm just going to take a heat gun to it. You can also just let it dry on its own, no problem. You want to be careful not to hold it too long because you don't want it to pull back any more veneer. So after taking the heat gun to it, getting it dry, then I take Dixie Belle's sanding sponges, super fine grit. You don't want anything super rough because you don't want to mess up the rest of your veneer. So just a really, really, really fine grit sanding sponge works great, or sandpaper. And you just really, with a light hand, see if it looks smooth. See how it's filled in there? It's all filled in, it's ready to paint, guys. This sealed the crack, built back up the layer to where you have a smooth surface now to go in and paint. Easy peasy, guys.